Alrighty guys, so I am starting off on some washed hair. I washed it not too long ago, earlier this week, and I also put in a leave-in conditioner from Eden Body Works. I will put it on the screen, and as you're seeing, I have my hair parted in the sections that I want to slick down already to get this V-part slick low ponytail or low bun. And I'm just going to show you how many parts I have. So I have this part here, I have this one over here, I have this. So when you look at it, it goes into a kind of V, which is going to be more obvious as I slick down my hair. And then I just have a piece in the back, just so that the back can be easier to slick down without that much of a bulk in the middle of my hair. So the product that I'm going to be using today is very new to me, because I've never used this brand before, and I haven't really heard that much about this brand when it comes to type 4 natural hair. I have seen this brand being promoted on type 3 hair or even type 2 hair, whatever hair type you want to use, because I really don't use the hair typing system when it comes to my hair. But here is the gel that I'm going to be using. And it is supposed to be a botanical gel from what I know of the hair care company. And yes, I did the mixing test already, and the leave-in from Eden Body Works along with this gel work more or less well. There was a smooth consistency on my hand. It's a pity that I didn't take a picture or even a video to show you what it looked like, but I guess you will see what it looks like as I put it on my hair. So let's get into the V-part slick ponytail, which is going to turn into a bun. Okay, so whenever I do a sleek ponytail, I always like to start on the back. For whatever style that I'm doing, actually, I really like to start on the back of my hair. So I had really refreshed my hair as I was preparing it to go in these parts, and I'm just going to put a little bit more water, just a little bit, not much to completely drench it, because I don't want my hair that wet. Because I mean, there is product in my hair already, and my hair is pretty much detangled, so I don't necessarily want to do too much. So I already opened the bottle to take off the seal, so I'm just going to show you what the consistency of the gel looks like. You see, it's like a watery kind of jelly like consistency. It's kind of watery, and I think botanical gels are known for their watery consistency because they're supposed to be more hydrating than the average type of gel. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And I'm just emulsifying the product a little bit, just really rubbing it in my hands. Then, oops, don't want to lose much product. I'm just going to run it on my hair. And this is really to see if this gel is made for type 4 hair and can actually slick down my hair. So I am not sure if it's going to slick down my hair. It did say that it is a super hold styler. Maybe super hold for the girlies with looser hair, with a looser hair texture, but I don't know about mine. I genuinely don't know about mine. So this will be the tester for that. And so far my hair feels really smooth, and I'm just going to add a little bit more. So this is about 3 sets of gel, and as you're seeing, it's like it's not really gooey, but it's kind of like a jelly in the sense. So this is the 3rd set that I'm going to be using, and hopefully I'm able to get a slick ponytail, at least a ponytail, if not a bun. I haven't really used botanical gels on my hair before, so this will really be my first time using a botanical gel on my hair. And so far my hair feels nice, and it feels it feels laid down. So we'll see what happens. So I'll just continue working in the sections, and I will do a montage so that you can see everything. And I will be back when my hair is all completed. Well, several minutes later, and I am back with my attempt to do a V-part slick back, since this is my first time doing it. And so far, the gel is okay. I just have to wait to see how it is going to dry. So what I'm gonna do is put my scarf on, and then I will be back with the results tomorrow, because it would have been about 12 hours, so that would have given it enough time to start to set at least. So we'll see what happens, but this is how my hair is looking. V-part with a botanical gel. We'll see what happens. So I will put the scarf on and I'll be back. I put my hair in a bun, and now I'm going to use my scarf just to lay it down. Alrighty, so this is what the hair is looking like, and I'll be back with the takedown process tomorrow, and we will see how my hair looks, if it will live up to, if the gel will live up to its expectations of being a firm hold gel. For being a botanical gel, we'll see what happens. So I'll be back. So guys, it is the next day as promised, and I'm just really taking out the hair because I have to be somewhere. So it feels like it is going to have some sort of hold, but let us see how well my hair is slick. So this is what my hair looks like, and looking in the mirror that I have in front of me, the sides I didn't really expect to slick down completely because my scarf moved. Overall, the gel didn't do too terrible of a job. It obviously could have been better because I've had sleeker results before, but I am not completely mad at it. All I will do is just touch up here with a little bit more gel and just brush it back in. But these are the raw results, so I will touch up my hair, then I will be back to share my final thoughts on the gel. Okay, so I'm back, and honestly, all in all, I could have really just used a leave-in conditioner and a curling cream to get these results. When it comes to the claims of it being a firm hold gel, I don't really get that on my hair per se. It does have some hold, I'm not going to dispute that, but it just doesn't have a firm hold. It probably does with people with looser textures, but for mine it doesn't necessarily have that much of a firm hold. Probably if I didn't use a leave-in conditioner, it may have given a different result, who knows. But for a sleek ponytail or bun, it doesn't necessarily work on hair like mine. So with that being said, I would probably give this gel a 6 because my hair does feel moisturized and it does have a type of hold, but it's not the best if you want a gel that has a firm hold to really slick down your hair. I wouldn't necessarily advise this gel. So that is it for my thoughts on the gel, and this is the end of the video. If you've made it this far and you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me, and like this video and send this video to someone who is interested in doing a sleek low ponytail on their natural hair with botanical gel, and hopefully this video helps them. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.